Girl, when I say this was off the chain, so easy, so feeling so good. We are in it for a summer glow up. So, you know, if you, whew, girl, if you've been eating meals that use canned chicken, this might not be the page for you, okay? Because over here we cooking. Hi guys, Naturelle Bombshell here, and welcome to my channel. As you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to share with you my easy recipe for chicken pot pie. Anybody can make this, okay? Because if, you know, you've been around here eating recipes, girl, using canned chicken, girl, this might not be the page for you, okay? You might not want to subscribe because over here we cooking healthy food, substantial meals, comfort food, but simple, easy with a healthy alternative. So if you're interested in that, click that subscribe button and notification bell because I post new videos every Sunday. And we talk about everything, health, lifestyle, beauty, makeup, girl, anything you want to kiki about. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into it. Good morning, good morning. As you can see, whoo, girl, I'm out here working on the belt line. Excuse my hair, I'm looking a little disheveled. I usually have my turban on just because, girl, it's just sometimes, you know, out in nature, bugs and stuff be flying. And I ain't got time for nobody to think that this is a bird and land on my head, okay? But, girl, you working out today? I'm doing my hot girl walk for the summer 2025 body glow up. So I plan on doing 30 to 45 minutes out here. The sun is beaming. Got my sunscreen on. And girl, she getting it in. It's a reclamation of the body, okay? Whew. So now let's get into our breakfast. I made me some protein pancakes using the Kodiak buttermilk mix. You can also, if you can't find Kodiak, you can try the Krusteaz. I think it's the complete heart mix. That too is comparable in points and really good. So I paired this with some berries, a chicken sausage, and scrambled eggs. And this was so filling. And there you saw my total point for this meal. So now I'm going to show you my lunch. I had a turkey taco with some Chipotle crema with roasted vegetables. There's my points in the breakdown of this meal. This was also a light but filling meal. The protein pancakes really held me over, so I didn't go very heavy for lunch. Now we're going to get into the dinner. This is the chicken pot pie recipe. To the left you can see all the ingredients I used. I also used some additional seasonings, girl, because you know, like I say, the food will be seasoned, okay? So I had about a pound and a half to 2 pounds of chicken breast, celery, carrots, onion, red potatoes. I definitely recommend to use red potatoes anytime you're cooking for a long time because they don't get as mushy as a gold potato or, well, yellow potato rather, or a what's the other one, a russet potato. So I used a can of cream of mushroom. I like the one from Kroger, the Simple Truth one, because it is good in macros. And I used some bouillon seasoning. You definitely want to be mindful of how much you use because it is concentrated and salted, heavily salted, but I only use a little. And anytime I cook with that, I just pair it with my seasonings that are salt free, so like cracked pepper, herbs de Provence, garlic powder, onion powder, and just the other seasonings that you will see me use throughout this recipe. But I would probably say the base of a cooking recipe, girl, you should have at least garlic powder, onion powder, and like an all-purpose seasoning. So here I'm just putting in some bay leaves. This is optional, but anytime I'm cooking like a hearty dish, I do like to use bay leaves because they add another level of depth and flavor. So yeah, you can see onion powder, and I'm using some after this roasted garlic powder. Girl, as you can see, I only had a pinch left, but we're gonna use it all up when we cooking. Okay. We're gonna mix that well, and then we're gonna cook this on a slow cooker on high for 4 hours. So as you can see, after the time, this is what it looks like. But I will probably say the last 30 minutes of the 4 hours, you want to mix in your bag of mixed vegetables. Now, I just used a half a bag because I love corn, so I had a half bag of corn left, so I threw that in right here. You don't want to add your mixed vegetables in the beginning because they will come out mushy. You want to add them the last 30 minutes of your cooking time. So that's what I'm doing here. Give that another stir and cook that for the last 30 minutes. So again, the total cook time in the slow cooker was 4 hours. So what is chicken pot pie without the pie part? Now, I could not find the reduced fat biscuits or whatever, so I just used the regular biscuits and just pretty much peeled them in half. So you can see me doing that right here. And I was able to get 8 portions out of 4 biscuit. The 5th biscuit, I just cooked regularly. I think I cooked it in my air fryer just to see how it would turn out. And I just ended up eating that when I tasted my meal. But again, you can use whatever biscuits you like, but just make sure you are counting the points for it. And doing it this way, I think each biscuit ended up coming out to be 4 points when I cut it in half. And I think the only things in this recipe you had to count for points are the biscuits and cream of mushroom soup. But this is good and enjoying. So more to come. Make sure you subscribe. Take care. Go forth and prosper.